You're always on your Insta feed, Alex. Ever thought about turning that scrolling into cash?
Yeah, right, like what? Becoming an influencer? Not really my thing.
Not quite. Have you heard about Instagram theme pages?
Theme pages? You mean those quote or travel pages?
Exactly. They're super simple to set up, and you don't need any startup cash or even your own product.
But I have no clue how to run something like that, and I don't have the time to learn.
That's the thing, Alex. It takes like 30 minutes a day to start, plus you can automate it and run it from anywhere.
Really? But what if I don't want to show my face all over Instagram?
You don't have to. That's the beauty of it. And get this. Some people are making over $5,000 a month just by posting pictures.
Okay, now you're just messing with me. How would I even start?
There's this course, Instagram University 4.0. It's on sale right now for under $7.
$7? That's like 2 coffees. But what if it's not for me?
No worries. It's got a 60-day guarantee. If you don't love it, you get every penny back.
All
No
right,
questions
I've
asked.
got nothing to lose?
Absolutely, Alex. Imagine turning that Insta addiction into a money-making machine.
Okay, let's do this. Let's turn my scrolling into something profitable, Jamie.
That's the spirit. I'll send you the link.